In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Squarespace. First, head to your website and open the page where you want the calendar to live. It could be your events page, your home page, or any section where you share upcoming dates. Make sure you're looking at the page in the editor view so you can make changes right away. Next, click Edit. This puts the page into editing mode and reveals all the on-page controls you'll need. You should see outlines around sections and buttons for adding content. If you don't, you might be in preview mode, so switch back to editing. Now, add a new area for your calendar by selecting Add Section. This helps you keep your layout organized and gives the calendar its own space. When the section options appear, choose Add Blank. Starting with a blank section gives you full control over spacing, background, and placement without any preset content getting in the way. Inside that new blank section, click Add Block. Blocks are the building pieces of Squarespace pages, and the calendar is one of them. When the block panel opens, you'll see a search field at the top. Start typing to highlight relevant options. As you type, Squarespace will highlight matching blocks. You're looking for the calendar block, so type until you see calendar appear and get highlighted in the list. Click calendar to select it. If you see the option highlighted already, click the highlighted result to confirm your choice. In some templates, you may see calendar listed again in a subpanel or style picker. Simply click calendar there as well to insert it into your section. Your calendar block will appear in the section you created. You can drag it to adjust placement, stretch it to fit the width you want, and use the block's settings to refine the look. Take a moment to check how it sits with the rest of your content. If you're building a dedicated events page, consider placing it higher on the page so visitors see it right away. If it's on a mixed content page, leave enough breathing room above and below for clarity. When everything looks good, click Save. This publishes your changes so visitors can see the calendar live. After saving, give the page a quick refresh and preview it on mobile to make sure spacing and readability are on point. If anything looks off, go back into Edit, adjust the section or block, and save again. That's it. Your Squarespace calendar is added and ready to showcase